main job of the accelerometer sensor in a Samsung device is to tell Android OS whether the screen should be in portrait or landscape mode. It also makes sure that the photos on your device are lined up right and not tilted or off-center. This feature can be turned on by the user or by an app, such as when watching Netflix. If auto rotate suddenly stopped working on your Samsung device, it could be because of an app problem, a software glitch, a firmware error, or a bad sensor. Even though this isn't always the case, it could be because the device's accelerometer sensor is broken. If your Samsung phone seems to be having trouble changing the screen orientation when it should, the accelerometer sensor may be broken. Important. There is a reason why the Samsung test menu is hidden. It's mostly for technicians to play around with, so don't mess with things you don't understand. Follow these steps to run a test to see if the accelerometer sensor is working correctly. Open the phone app. On the phone or dialer app, dial *#0 *#. Once the hidden test menu is open, tap the box that says sensor among the options. Move your phone around to see if the sensor is working properly. The details of the accelerometer sensor should change depending on which way it moves. If the numbers don't change at all, it probably means the sensor is broken. Just tap the back button a couple of times to get back to normal mode. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making sure that Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.